So I'm doing a little bit of a shakedown hike today. I'm hiking Mount Moosilauke in New Hampshire. This mountain is on the Appalachian Trail, so it's super exciting. Callie's getting her zoomies out. I've done this hike before. I did it in the summer, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to do it again in the winter and see what it's like. I know a lot of you watching this might know about Mount Moosilauke because I'm probably not the only Appalachian Trail YouTube account that you're probably following. So I'm excited to show you guys what it's going to be like. There's a little bit of a road walk because this road is closed in the winter. So from what I've read, probably only 0.6 miles. So it shouldn't be too bad. This is what the road looks like. It's pretty easy. I have my Z-Packs with me. I have a lot of the gear I'm bringing, but like clothes-wise and electronic-wise and all that. But instead of putting my tent in my sleeping bag and those overnight types of gear in my backpack, I just have snowshoes inside. So just in case, I read some trail reports saying that the snow got kind of mushy and snowshoes might help better maintain the trail. So I have those just in case. And the snowshoes add weight, which is good for training. So I'm gonna continue with this road walk. So the sky's pretty gray, so I don't know if I'm gonna expect too many views along the way, but you can see mountains out there in the distance. So maybe that's a little hint that we can have some sort of a view. I'm still road walking. All right, so the road walk I did was Ravine Road. And as you can see, I'm taking the Gorge Brook trail up to the summit of Mount Moosilauke. And you can tell how popular this trail is by the amount of signs everywhere. So it's very clear. We'll wait at the top. This is the face she makes when I stop. She's so sad. I'm just gonna refill some water. I didn't pack enough water on purpose so I could try out my new Sawyer squeeze. The first lookout point. It's snowing a lot. I don't film up to the summit. This is why. There's no visibility. The winds are strong and freaking cold. So maybe I'll see you at the summit, maybe not, but I think I'm close. That's the summit side, but I'm gonna go down as quick as possible. So I'm finally on the road walk back to the car, and I booked it down Moosilauke. I have never hiked down a 4,000 footer without stopping once, or like even slowing down. Like no food, no water. I didn't change any layers, no pee breaks. Like that's the fastest. I wonder if I can go into my Gaia app and see how long that actually took me. But yeah, but booked it down the mountain. Now I'm just taking it nice and easy on the road walk back to the car, and I'll probably see you once I'm in there and warming up. Alright, so I'm back in my car. Thank you for joining me up Moosilauke today. The trail was easy, but the conditions made it a lot harder. As you could have seen, the visibility was awful at the top. There were some moments when I was going up to the summit that I was thinking, like, am I gonna be able to find my way back below tree line? But I did. There were 2 other people at the summit, which made me a lot more comfortable. Callie got really cold. She starts getting these little balls of ice in her fur, and she doesn't like that. So every couple minutes or so, she'd stop and try to like lick it off. So that's why I ran down the mountain as fast as possible to just keep her moving and maybe keep her body temperature up. But she's in the back seat thawing, and we got about like an hour ride home. So thanks for joining me. I'm so excited. I'm putting a lot of more Appalachian Trail videos out, and before you know it, I will be vlogging from the trail. So subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to like this video, and I will see you in my next one.